Hello Amy, Julia here. Thank you so much for your order. At the JThouse store, you have chosen VIP package. It's crochet yarn kit about making Blouse SONIA. This package includes hard copy of Crochet Magazine, JThouse issue 2, also USB flash drive with 6 video tutorials, crochet hook 1.7 millimeters, and also really amazing yarn kit. You will choose colors that you like the most. This kit includes 12 cones, in total 600 grams, and also I will make for you sample of lace in colors of your choice. And I will send you package by UPS delivery company. Delivery time is around 10-12 days. And now I will show you available yarn kits, and you can choose what colors you like the most. How you will tell me what kit is the best for you? Just look to this number. Yes, this kit, for example, has number 101. It's purple, 2 different shades, also light pink and golden beige. I can say that this kit is the most beautiful, and I have, I think, only one available, so I really like these colors. If you also like such tender combination of colors, you can choose this kit. Next we have a very interesting combination of colors. It's brown, gold, we can say gold, green and golden beige. Now a number of this kit is 103. And next we have brown and also golden beige and light pink, also tender combination of colors, very beautiful, and the number of this kit is 107. And next we have blue colors, from very deep blue, next we have intensive blue, light blue and sky blue, the last one. The number of this kit is 122. Next we have gray colors, from really dark gray. Next we have a multicolored gray, melange, light gray, and this one is white. And after, the number of this kit is 131. This one is very bright with intensive purple, very bright pink, and also light purple and yellow. The number of this kit is 133. Also we have intensive colors like this, golden brown, lime, yellow and ivory. The number of this kit is 142. And the last one is very close to this blouse that we have on the cover of the magazine. It's orange colors and also yellow. The number of the kit is 147. So please let me know what colors you like the most, and I will prepare for you beautiful sample of lace, and this package I will send you during 1-2 days. So I think Monday this package will be ready to send. Just I will wait for your answer. Once again, thank you so much for your order, and I wish you gorgeous results. If you have any questions during your work on this project, you can send me a message and I will gladly send you video answer, and with big pleasure I will help you to create this project, if you will need this, of course. Once again, thank you, and thank you for your attention. Bye bye for now.